In this video, we are going to talk about how Web 3.0 will work. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for the future updates. You've made the decision to see a movie and then have some food. You want to see a comedy and eat some extremely hot Mexican food. You turn on your computer, launch a browser, and go to Google to look up theater, movie, and restaurant information. Before making a decision, you take some time to read brief summaries of the films that are now showing in local theaters. You should also check out which Mexican eateries are nearby each of these venues. Additionally, you might wish to look up the restaurant's customer ratings. You visit a total of 6 websites before getting ready to leave the house. The future generation of the web, according to some internet experts. Web 3.0 will accelerate and simplify processes like your movie and food search. Instead of conducting numerous searches, you could enter 1 or 2 difficult sentences into your Web 3.0 browser, and the web would take care of the rest. You might enter, in our example, after watching a humorous movie, I want to eat at a reputable Mexican restaurant. What choices do I have? The Web 3.0 browser will assess your response, look for every potential response on the internet, and then arrange the information for you. Not only that, according to many of these experts, the Web 3.0 browser will function as a personal assistant. The browser discovers your interests as you browse the web. Your browser will learn more about you as you use the internet, so the more you use it, the less specific your questions will need to be. In the future, you might be able to ask open-ended queries to your browser, like, where should I go for lunch? Once it has reviewed your preferences and taken into consideration where you are right now, your browser will offer a list of eateries. Web 3.0 approaches. According to internet experts, Web 3.0 will be similar to having a personal assistant who can access all of the material on the internet to answer any question and who almost knows everything about you. Many people liken Web 3.0 to a massive database. Web 3.0 will utilize the internet to connect information, as opposed to Web 2.0, which uses it to connect people. While some experts believe Web 3.0 will displace the current web, others think it will remain an independent network. An example makes the subject simpler to understand. Let's imagine that you are considering taking a trip. You wish to visit a warm, tropical location. For your trip, you have budgeted $3,000 in total. You want to stay in a luxury hotel, but you don't want to blow your budget on it. You also desire a cheap flight. You would need to conduct extensive study to find the greatest holiday possibilities with the web technology that is currently at your disposal. You would need to conduct research on potential locations and select the best one for you. Compare airfare and hotel prices on 2 or 3 different bargain travel websites. You would spend a significant amount of time browsing the results on different search engine results pages. It can take several hours to complete the process. Some internet experts assert that Web 3.0 will enable you to relax while the internet takes care of all the work. You might utilize a search engine and specify more specific search criteria. Following that, the browser program compiles, examines, and presents the data to you in a form that makes comparison simple. This is possible because Web 3.0 will be able to comprehend data on the web. Currently, when you use a search engine on the internet, the engine is unable to fully comprehend your search. It searches for websites that include the keywords you entered in your search. The relevance of the web page to your search cannot be determined by the search engine. Only the presence of the keyword on the web page can be inferred. For instance, if you typed in Saturn into a search engine, you would get both planet and car-related web pages as results. A Web 3.0 search engine could understand the context of your request in addition to finding the terms in your search. It would provide results that were pertinent to your search and make recommendations for more articles. In our hypothetical vacation scenario, the Web 3.0 browser might provide a selection of enjoyable activities or fantastic restaurants associated with the search results if you typed in tropical holiday destinations under $3,000 as a search request. It would regard the entire internet as a sizable informational database that could be queried at any time. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoy this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.